The Polar Aurora fishing cart wagon feels impressively solid thanks to its thick steel frame, protective coating, and very high weight capacity that easily handles a full day's gear. Its large, all-terrain inflatable wheels track smoothly over soft sand, gravel, and grass, so hauling coolers, tackle boxes, and chairs is far less tiring than with a standard cart. Multiple integrated rod holders and an umbrella mount keep fishing setups organized and hands-free, which is especially helpful when you are juggling bait, kids, or a canopy. The heavy-duty fabric liner resists tearing, shrugs off splashes, and comes off for quick cleaning, while the extra pockets and cargo net help keep small items from getting lost. Despite its size, the wagon folds down without tools to a compact shape that fits in most car trunks, making it practical for beach trips, camping, and garden work alike. An adjustable, cushioned handle and stable steering geometry give the cart a controlled, comfortable feel even when fully loaded, which inspires confidence on uneven ground.